Hi, Brett Pyke from Pyke Gear here. I'm going to show you some tips today on what to have in your truck in case you might get stuck. This will guarantee you never get stuck. So I always keep a spare hitch in my truck just for if I have to strap it, put a tow strap to it, or if I need to tow something. I've always got it in the back of my truck. Always keep some duct tape around, as well as some zip ties. Very important to have that stuff in your truck. One of the things I really like to have in the back of my truck as well is a battery pack. In case you leave a door open and your battery runs dry, you can jump your car in the middle of the woods. It can really save the day. I always keep a little bit of silicone lubricant for doors, things like that. It's always nice to have that on hand. One of the most important things is to absolutely have a big heavy-duty tow strap. I've had to use this numerous times, pulling friends out and getting pulled out myself once or twice. One of the other things I really like to have in the back of my truck is a tire patch kit. If you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, it is really nice to have something where you can patch your own tire. And this makes all the difference in the world. It saved my butt more than once out in the woods where I've run over a logging tack. When you have that, the other thing you need to have is a portable air compressor. This thing will hook right up to the battery of your car. You need to pump that tire all the way up and then put the tire plug in there. Or if you just have a low tire, it's nice to be able to put some air in your tire for that. The last thing you want to have is the ring, which you can actually put into your hitch receiver with the same pin as used for it with your tow strap or your ball pin. Just unscrew this thing. You can run your tow strap right through that, put it in here like that, and it makes a nice easy contact point for pulling yourself or pulling your buddy out of a ditch. So that's my tips for the day on having your truck ready for any type of circumstance that might arise in the woods or the prairie. Thanks for listening.